It's a lovely day for a swim here at this random construction site. Rip pants.
Rip pants.
Rip your pants. Oh, dude.
And the fool went and whipped his pants.
I wouldn't go too much farther.
Oh my god.
Take a lap. Take it. No, like swim lap.
Oh my god, look at the trail.
Should I just like,
No.
Oh, if you do, I'd laugh so hard.
you each have to give me $20.
No, I'm not giving you $20.
doing it.
No,
I'm
no.
broke as hell.
No, I'm not doing that.
I'll do it anyway. You ready?
Really? Oh, you fucking dumb shit.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Yeah, boy, you muddy.
You're a dumbass. Let's go hose off Gene.
So,
We don't have any
walking through
towels?
the neighborhood.
I ain't giving you a
Where's
hug.
the lifeguard?
That's
I hurt
him.
my arm
Do you
on
see,
that.
you see him? Do you see him? He's over there. Please don't give me a hug.
This is the most natural aloe vera. Oh, yum.
Yum.
And you can have a snack
And
afterwards.
Smell it. Oh, it's gross.
I guess if you're a caterpillar, that'd be great. That was a dumb idea.
Very.
No, actually, that was a good idea.
What?
That was a good idea.
Changed your mind.
It was a good idea. I never got to bathe in nature before. That was a good experience.
Kevin. Oh, he's gonna be shaky. Wait. So out of shape.
We made it home. Gonna get a little bath.
Nice. Oh, that lens flare. It's like they're spraying you. Like, eh. How was
Thank
it?
you. It was good.
Is it worth it?
Yeah.
We'll see about that. I can't stop recording. Fam.